I'm Stephen Tremaine.
And I'm Amy Tremaine.
And we're two Swine Crew. Today we're going to be cooking Creole chicken. Our first step is we like to preheat our Dutch oven on the grill at 400 degrees. We add cooking oil to it. We want to bring that up to temperature before we add our chicken. We just want to brown that for a couple of minutes, start the cooking process a little bit. Go ahead and cover it so we don't get any grease.
So while the chicken is browning on the cast iron skillet, we will usually be dicing onions. This one is onions, green peppers, and celery, the Trinity mix. And then this one is diced tomatoes. We have tomato paste, and then we have chicken broth. We get them all ready to go, and then we'll just dump them back into the cast iron skillet.
Okay, now that our chicken's browned a little bit, we're going to go ahead and take that out. Keep it to the side. Now that we have our chicken pulled, left a little bit of oil in the bottom of the oven, we'll add our Trinity mix. We want to cook this till it becomes tender. Now that we have our Trinity mix, it's getting nice and soft, we're going to go ahead and start adding our other ingredients. First, we're going to add the diced tomatoes. Add the tomato paste.
This one just adds really good color and adds a little extra flavor. And then we have the chicken broth. Then we're gonna put the chicken in.
And if you'll add some Cajun seasoning
Oh,
to
yep,
that,
yep.
James.
My favorite part. Let's stir it all up.
Now we're going to cover and bring it to a boil. Probably not going to get it to a hard boil. If you can get it where it's maybe boiling a little bit around the edges, that'd be totally fine. Oh yeah, we're starting to boil a little bit. So now we can go ahead and add our rice. You stir that in. And now we'll cover it back up. Let that cook for about another 45 minutes, and then we should be good to serve. Now that it's been 45 minutes, let's take a look and see if this is done. Yes,
that looks
done.
good.
Yeah, it's great.
All right. So what we'll do now is we will bring it over to the table and we'll go ahead and get it plated.
We find that this dish is great when you have we have a lot of kids.
Yeah, big family.
So it's a wonderful dish, not hard to make, doesn't take too long to cook, and it's definitely hearty enough that a bowl of this goes a long way.
So that is our Creole chicken. It's really easy to do. We used to make this in the oven, and then once we started using B&B charcoal, we switched it over, and it's actually, the flavor is much, much better is what we find when we do it on the grill.